So I'm gonna have to use this as my opening rather than Google Maps like I usually do. And anyway, I'm sure you know where Universal City Walk is in Orlando, Florida. Let's giddy up and check it out. Welcome to Universal Studios City Walk, Orlando. Now let's check it out. We'll go both sides of it, and what you may see in this video is some nighttime shots and daytime shots, because I may make it into that, and I don't want you thinking that there's total solar eclipses going on constantly. So let's giddy up. Now, Universal City Walk, it was built in 1998, and it hosts restaurants, bars, dance clubs, entertainment. Just a fun place to be. So right here you got Margaritaville, and there's another bar across the way here. You can have cocktails over here, and you can have cocktails and dinners here at Port of Indecision, as well as beers. So I highly recommend you visit the Port of Indecision, Margaritaville. It's an open air restaurant, and you can sit there sipping a pina colada, eating a cheeseburger in paradise. At Margaritaville, Port of Indecision. Check out the view. Right on the open walkway area. And I ordered myself a Who's to Blame. Now the Who's to Blame drink comes from the Margarita song when he sings, "Yes, and some people claim that there's a woman to blame, and I know it's my own damn fault." That's where the name of this drink comes from. So let's give it a try, see what we think. Pretty good. So this is the Hot Dog Hall of Fame Stadium hot dogs you can get. Something fast, quick to eat. And they have seating with some seats from major ballparks. You can see right here, original seats. Pretty cool, but not real realistic. Now, if they had popcorn, peanuts, and plastic beer containers scattered on the floor, it'd be a little bit more realistic. Let's giddy up. Being a kid again. And Universal City Walk, we have a Voodoo Donuts. So nice place to sugar your kids up before you take them to the park. Let's giddy up, some kids want to get on.
Thank you.
So right here within Universal City Walk, they have a miniature golf course. They have two different courses that you can go on, play a round of golf. Pretty cool. So this is the Chocolate Emporium, and it has sundaes, and I'm saying those sundaes are huge. They're at least for 3 people. For myself, I don't eat a lot of sugar, so it'd be 3 other people, but they say they're very good. They also serve many foods with chocolate infused into the recipe. Now with dinner, I did have some sugar with my beer. The beer I ordered was a chocolate stout, and of course it was a dark beer. Anyway, it had just the right mix of chocolate as not to make it too overwhelming taste of chocolate in it. One other thing I should point out about the Chocolate Emporium is they don't allow any video inside. Yeah, in fact, I don't even think they like pictures being taken inside. So I didn't film anything, but one thing you should know is the music that goes on in there and the sounds is pretty repetitive. It goes on and on and on. So if your dinner's very long, it gets kind of irritating, but it's cute. And they have really good food, good drinks. Check it out. So here is the Hard Rock Cafe. On the right-hand side of it, let's go down this path. Check it out. Now right behind, on the right-hand side of the Hard Rock Cafe, is a piece of the Berlin Wall right here. Now, finding this on Universal City Walk, this is the last place I'd expect to find a piece of the Berlin Wall. However, here it is. I guess the Floridians wanted to separate the Jacksonville Jaguar football team from the Tampa Bay Buccaneer football team, so they're putting up a wall. I didn't want to say any tear down this wall jokes, so that's the best I could do.
say